Hey guys, it's Garnet here out in New York City. Just got a shipment from DHL for the 5.8s antennas from RaK Wireless. So just actually want to show you guys proof. I actually sold an 8.1 a few days ago to a gentleman out in New Jersey. So this is what it looks like. See for yourself. And then I'm not sure what's in here, but take a look. I ordered a few things. I only need 2 of the antennas. So you see some cables here. I only need 2 of the antennas. The others I really don't need because things got canceled with some partnerships I had. So I'm actually selling them. I don't need it. So cables, pretty rugged. There's 2 of those. This looks like all hardware. You can see, I don't know what it is. Scissors. See what's in this thing? What is this? These are cables here. Actually, this is for the antenna. It's a magnetic that actually holds the antenna up. So it's one of those. And here are the antennas, as you can see. So it says here, it's actually black. So, pretty lengthy. This is 5.8. So I have about 5 of these here. I know somebody wanted 3, and I have one more guy wanted 1 in California. So I have about maybe 2 more left to sell after that. So if you have any questions, just inbox me, and we'll get it out to you as soon as possible. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a stand that I have to extend it. Should be pretty cool. That's what, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's it. So if you have any questions, reach out to me and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.